Hello, fifth graders. This is our Tuesday's math lesson about categories of two-dimensional figures. Okay, you're going to want to get onto page 583 and follow along. Please write down these things. Remember, you can go back and rewatch this video, press pause, whatever you need. Okay, a regular polygon has all sides of equal length and all angles of equal measure. Which shapes below are subcategories of regular polygons? Explain. Okay, remember, we have to remember sides of equal length and all angles of equal measure. Okay, our key word there is equal. If you remember what equilateral means, it means that they have equal length and equal angle measures. So that one should be your first clue. Then, if you remember what a hexagon looks like, some of you may not, and that is okay. A hexagon has, I even have to look it up. A hexagon has 6 sides. Okay, so I'm going to try my best to draw a hexagon. Okay, the thing about hexagons is that they have all equal length and some of their angles are equal, but not all of them. Okay, pentagons are 5 sides and they don't have equal angles, but they have equal sides. Squares have equal angles and equal sides, so both of them are subcategories. Okay, a tree diagram can use 2 lines to show subcategories that do not overlap. Kamama draws these 2 diagrams to show how categories of triangles are related. Are her diagrams correct? So we have to look at them. It says to explain. I'm not too worried about explaining. I just want yes or no. So we have triangles, and then we have two different types of triangles. We have scalene, where all the sides are different sizes. All of the sides are different sizes. We have isosceles, where at least 2 of the sides are different sizes, and at least 2 of the sides are the same size. I am just confusing myself. Okay, isosceles. Okay, 2 of the sides are the same size, at least 2 of them. Equilateral is all 3 of them. So this would be correct. Okay, this whole big box is triangles, and then they've put the Venn diagrams in there. This is also correct. So the answer to this would be yes, her diagrams are correct. Okay, describe the attributes of a shape that is both a rectangle and a rhombus. Name the shape and use the grid to draw an example. Okay, so a thing about a rectangle and a rhombus is that they are parallelograms with they're both parallelograms. They both have 4 sides, but the thing about a rhombus is that they have 4 sides of equal length, which technically a rectangle can have because a square is a rectangle. They also have angles that are the same, equal angles. So basically all you're doing is drawing a square, because if you flip it over on the side, it is also a rhombus. Okay, Caleb makes a tree diagram to show the hierarchy of polygons. Explain why his tree diagram is not correct, then explain what changes are needed. Okay, this one can be a little bit trickier. Okay, so polygons are shapes, basically. And then quadrilaterals are shapes with 4 sides. Pentagons are shapes with 5 sides. Anything below quadrilaterals needs to have 4 sides. Pentagons do not. So that is why it would be wrong. This one wants us to draw a tree diagram or Venn diagram to show the actual categories for these ones. So I'm going to start with polygons. That's going to be my overall. And then we name how many sides they have. Okay, so like pentagons have 5 sides. And then quadrilaterals have 4 sides, which this is just a struggle today. Okay, and then we continue with that. So parallelograms, because pentagons have 5 sides, they cannot be a parallelogram. It goes under quadrilaterals. And same with rectangles. Okay, and that's all we're doing on this lesson today. So what you're going to do is you're going to make sure you have all of this written down, and then you are going to do the iReady teacher assigned lesson that will go more in depth on tomorrow's lesson. Okay, make sure you do it. Thanks.